hair cream by Maapilim. Looks very natural in the hair. I like this product a lot. Yeah, I like to start off by moistening the hair, kind of down to like a towel dry. Just gonna smooth out these sides with a little scissor over comb. Cool, let's put some texture into the top. Should we put some stuff in it? We'll start with about that much. The smell of this stuff is amazing. Cardamom, bergamot. And it's gonna have a very natural look in your hair. It's gonna be pretty light. Not so much for the hold of it, but just to kind of give it some weight. So you don't have that fluffy, clean head of hair. A little bit of shine in there. I like to use my hands to style instead of the comb. Gives it a bit more texture.